Okay, we're going to be talking about signing up for the exam. It's really a pretty simple process, but I do want you to know what to expect. You're going to log on to floridaexam.com. It's a relatively self-explanatory process. The website's pretty good, so you should be able to get through that without a whole lot of trouble. At some point, it's going to prompt you to choose all the exams you wish to take. For example, if you are going to be taking the general contractor's exam, and you haven't passed any of the exams before, you're going to have three options. You're going to have the business and finance, you're going to have the contract administration, and you're going to have the project management. So, and if you're taking another trade, say a roofing or a plumbing or an air conditioning, it's just going to have the business and finance and then your trade. And of course, if you've passed one of these exams, it probably won't populate as an option. It'll actually be a little bit less bright. It'll be dimmed, so you actually can't choose that option. Make sure you choose all the ones available for your trade when you sign up, because you're going to pay your $135, and if you don't sign up for all the exams, then you're going to have to pay that again. Okay, so you don't want that to happen. All right, and I kind of explained this one here. Once again, general, building, and residential. Okay, you're gonna sign up for three exams. Initially you're going to say, okay, I want to be a general contractor. Then you'll go into a few more screens and then it'll say, okay, sign up for the exams. Once again, business and finance, contract administration, and project management. And these sub trades, it's usually just two, your trade and then the business and finance. The cost is going to be $135. Once this enrollment is processed, your information will be sent to the computer-based testing vendor, Pearson VUE. They will contact you by email, and you can schedule the exam actual date and time at a testing center, hopefully near you. The process takes 10 days to 2 weeks. So once you pay your $135, it's going to take probably 10 days, but give it 2 weeks before you start making some phone calls and what have you. And it's going to be another $40 to Pearson VUE for each exam that you take. All right, so the exception to this is plumbing, which is still a paper and pencil trade exam, as you will be drawing isometrics. Plumbers will process the enrollment the same way for the business as the other trades, but will be notified by a different vendor, which is called PTI, Professional Testing Incorporated, to schedule the trade exam, which is given every other month. That's about it. Just schedule the exam for a date and time that works for you. Remember, these exams can be grueling. So you may want to schedule them in the morning if you're a morning person, in the evening if you're an evening person, but it's going to take some time and it will wear you out. I can pretty much guarantee it. All right, that's about it. Good luck and thank you for choosing Jack the Exam Guy as your preferred exam prep company.